Honorable Senior Economist and Management Expert, former member of Planning Commission of Nepal, Conference Chair Professor Dr. Puskar Bajracharya, Chairman of University Grant Commission and Chief Guest Professor Dr. Devraj Adhikari, Vice Chancellor of Midwest University and the distinguished guest Professor Dr. Nanda Bahadur Singh, guest of honors, eminent international speakers, paper presenters, participants, organizing team members, and sister concerns, Global College of Management, Global School of Science, Liberty College, Uniglobe Higher Secondary School, Uniglobe School, Valley View School, Uniglobe College, media partners, ABC News and Silapatra, a very warm welcome to this 5th Global International Conference 2023. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I stand before you today as the convener of the 5th Global International Conference titled Emerging Discourses and Practices of Management and Technology Integrations for Innovation, Sustainability, and Forward-Looking Development. This conference, bringing together the brightest minds from 15 countries, promises to be a vibrant platform for the exchange of ideas, knowledge, and experiences. The conference is expected to serve as a platform for exploring the dynamic intersections of management and technology. The topic for this conference holds immense significance as we believe it is a need of an existing world, thereby demands a call to action, a pursuit of solutions, and a commitment to shaping the future of innovation and sustainability. Like every year, the conference spans across 2 days, featuring an inauguration session, keynote addresses, parallel sessions, and panel discussions. As we embark on this intellectual journey together, I encourage you to actively participate, share your thoughts, and engage in meaningful dialogues. Let us collectively contribute to the emergence of new discourse and practices that contribute to the collective wisdom and propel societies towards positive change. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Advisory Board, Organizing Committee, Scientific Committee sponsors, institutions, companies, and volunteers who have supported this conference. Your dedication and support have been instrumental in shaping this platform into what it is today. Although we try our finest to be professional, on behalf of Global College International, please accept our sincere apologies should there be any inconveniences that occur before, during, and after the event. May this conference be a source of inspiration, collaboration, and enlightenment, paving the way for a future where management and technology integration lead us toward innovation, sustainability, and forward-looking development. I thank you, everyone, and let the 5th Global International Conference 2023 begin. Thank you.